Alrighty, guys. This is for the people who, don't not really have any money, like myself, and doesn't want to go out and buy new jumpers. Um, my jumpers were messed up. I don't know where the heck the red one went. The red one's right here. Like mine was all bent up and um, just really frayed and not looking too nice, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix these up to where they're nicer, look a little bit nicer. The wires look good again, and it's not so nasty looking. Yeah, there's a bunch of corrosion on here, as you can see, obviously. So, yeah, all I'm using is a knife and a pair of pliers. That's all I'm using to do this. So this is the positive. So we're gonna go ahead and save that for right now. We're gonna do the negative first. So what I do is, if you have them like this, then this is the ones that have the little rubber on them. The rubber just comes right off. So I just slide the rubber over top of the wire so that you can put it back on there, okay? And then put that down for a minute. So I take the knife and I just go about right there somewhere, and I just make an incision into the wire all the way down to the copper, and then you go all the way around. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to bump y'all. Yeah, then you just kind of twist it, and it comes out like that. Just get rid of the piece that you just cut off. Make sure it's nice and twisted. And then you take the new side that you're putting it into. It's not going to be as tight as this one because it's not going to be, it's going to be a lot nicer. But then you grab your pair of pliers, and I'll show you which ones I'm using. I'm just using a regular pair of pliers right here. Okay? Alright. So, we're going to go like this. You're just going to clamp them. Little clamps back there on the back side, right? Make sure you get a good clamp. And then the wire that's inside here, where are you? Right there? That's what's making the ground, that's what's making the connection. So you want to make sure that that's nice and secured in there. So you just bend those tabs too. I'll show you the result as soon as I'm done. There's the result. And I'm trying to pull that out as hard as I can too. If you put the right amount of muscle in there, ain't nothing going to come out. It's got a good connection, and you know that it's actually going to do it. I just did it to another pair just a little while ago, so I know for a fact that it works. So if anybody has any questions about that, just let me know, and we'll get them answered. My donation, my email address will be in the description below, or it is in the description below, I mean. And my PayPal link is in the description too. If you guys want to donate to me, please do. I need it. I need to grab some new tools and stuff like that. So here goes the positive. I just did the same exact thing that I did with the negative. Just cut it and just twisted it. We'll put it in here, like so. Get that around there, like so. We'll clamp those. And then we'll clamp the one that has the actual cord on it, so that it's touching. And there it is. Positive is done too. Positive might come out. I don't know. No, I'm pulling really hard. It's not moving. Alright, so here goes the finished product. Of both positive and negative. I'm going to take the old ones out of there. But there it is. Right there. They look really good. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Any questions? Like I said, my email is in the description. Please email me if you want to send me stuff. And my PayPal link is in there so that you guys can donate to my PayPal. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace out, guys. I will see you guys next time.